Hello friends and welcome back. And if this is your first visit to my happy home, welcome. I am so happy that you could join us. I've picked up some cute items lately while thrifting, and in this video I'm sharing with you my recent finds. Now here's an overview of the items that I found. It's not a lot, but I think I found some cute items. So let me quickly show you what I got. Now starting off with these two. If you've seen one of my earlier videos, I already owned two of these, including their vases, but I did a DIY on those and made them glam. And I wanted to have them again, but now in a more rustic look. So when I came across these for only 25 cents, I was really happy to find them. Now you guys, what can I say? Summer isn't halfway done yet, but fall is really around the corner, and I am just collecting some pumpkins here and there for my outdoor decor. I used to buy real pumpkins, but I just want some pumpkins that can last me longer than just one season. So I picked these up for just €1 altogether. Now you guys, for the ones who's been following me, then you know I had to feed my obsession. When I saw this tray, I couldn't pass it up. I think it's a decent size. It has got good bones, and I thought for just €1 I couldn't pass it up. And I think I am going to be staining it in a more darker wood tone, and I think it would go perfect for my fall decor. Now this next item is just a cute tray that you can use on the arm of your chair, but that's not what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to be using some brackets to hold up these legs, and I want to use this as a piece in my kitchen, and I thought it was cute for the size that it is, and I'm going to be distressing it a little to make it look a bit more vintage. And as you can see, it is a little bit damaged, but I thought that would be perfect for the look that I was going for, and I picked this up for only 50 cents. Now this next item, you guys, it is so unique. When my eyes spotted it, I was so happy. It is a mirror. You can hang it on the wall, but I think I'm going to be using it as a tray. Now let me show you the back of it, just to show you how filthy this piece is. Look at the dust collecting there. Anyway, I still need to clean it up, but it reminded me something that you would find on a boat, a nautical piece, and I was happy to get it for only 50 cents. Okay you guys, one tray more or less, who's counting, right? Anyway, I found this super cute small tray. It has this glass inlay that says country field, and I picked it up for only 25 cents. I thought it was super cute with these wooden handles, and it is in this rattan or wicker material, and I'm just going to use it as a decor piece on its own. Now for my last item in this thrift haul, I picked up this super cute box, wooden box or crate, I'm not sure what you call it, but I haven't seen these in my thrift stores before, and I've seen these going around, people making these over, doing makeover or doing DIY on these, and I thought it was so cute when I came across this, and I picked it up for only €1. Well, that's all for this mini thrift haul. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, you guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment below what your favorite piece is. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!